Alrighty, ready or not, it's 7:30 in the morning. I was going to paint this tomorrow. Today's Thursday, and anyway I woke up early, about 5:30, and the weather forecast says now there's rain for Friday, and 0% till about 1 o'clock today, so it's time to get at her. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. I got about 5 hours sleep. Better not jinx myself. Anyway, better get ready and get the first coat on. Okay, round 1 done. Don't know how it's gonna turn out, if everything's gonna show, but should have turned the camera on. A bird went by and shit right there. Can't fucking believe it. Oh, excuse my language. Anyway, first coat on. There's some remnants of something, probably the bird poop. Anyway, that's the first coat. When I get some more, I'll get back to you. Okay, there's all 3 coats of clear base on it. So obviously it's flat because there's no clear coat on it yet, because it's base clear. Looks like I got pretty good coverage. It's hard to tell in there. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. It might be a little, I don't know. It's hard to tell because the way the light hits it. Anyway, I'm sure it's not going to be 100% perfect. I'm not a painter. I'm just trying to do the best I can, and so far it's turning out okay. When I get the clear on, I'll get back to you. Alrighty, it's all done. Nice and shiny, turned out good. Other than get a little bug right down in there. He's on top of the clear coat, so it shouldn't be too bad to get out. Sun's going in and out, it's hard to get a good view of it. Did all the back edge along here. It was a real mess. It looked like he'd done it with a roller or something. I don't know, it was all gobbed on. It was a real mess. The original guy that painted it quite some time ago. There's a bit of peel, not too worried about it. I might wet sand it, don't know, have to think about it. Funny, I tried doing the video once already, and it doesn't look the same on video as it does in real. It really makes metallic stand out in the video more than it looks like in person. Anyway, very pleased with it. Like I say, a little bit of peel, nothing too drastic. Oh, that's bright, the old sun. Anyway, like I say, I might not wet sand it and buff it. The guy that originally did it, he got a big run in it. He wet sanded it out, so it was wet sanded and buffed, and right now I think I did a better job than he did. And I just want to thank everybody that watches my videos, gives the likes, thumbs ups, whatever you want to call it, and comments. Really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good day. Take care. Bye for now.